Welcome to Tech Boss again. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to hard reset XTIGI V22 Pro or V22 without peace. Before we start this process, I will ask from you guys to hit on the subscribe button so when I upload new video you can get automatic notification automatically, and we are going to be friends to forever. So hit on the subscribe button right now and let's start the process. First, switch off your phone. Press power, and when you press and hold on power, simple put your finger on the up volume, up volume here. Okay, like this. Look at it very well. Press and hold. You see restart. Press your hand here. Click on restart like this. Back. And hold on it like this. Don't move your hand. You just keep and hold on it. Now use the down to move, use the up to move, and the power as OK, and select recovery and press the down volume here. Select recovery and press the down here. We are going to remove no command. How are you going to remove it? Press the up volume and the power button at the same time like this. Don't hold them, press them like this. Quick like this. Press. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Press. Sometimes you must do it like this, like 10 to 15 times before it will come. So you just keep on doing it till it comes. And use the down to move. And select wipe data factory reset and press power, and select yes and press power, and press the power to reboot your phone, and check the link below the description to bypass your phone, or click on the end screen to bypass your phone. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button right now. Thank you to watch this video.